During this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 key areas that you should avoid if you want to try and assist your charity in increasing its income through gift aid. My name is Monique Stewart and I am a senior charity consultant at GoodtoGive, and I've been helping charities now for over a decade increase their income. So the question may be, what is gift aid? Gift aid is a tax efficient means for all charities to be able to increase their income by 25%. So for every £10, that's an additional £2.50 in the bank. The first mistake, not claiming gift aid. Now, sometimes charities choose to go down the route of not claiming because they don't really understand what gift aid is. So they're thinking, how are we going to manage this? What do we do? And other times it's because of a process. You don't have a clear process in place to be able to manage the ongoing claims that are going to need to happen. Now, remember, the charity is relying solely on donations, potential funding and grants. That 25% that you're able to go and obtain from gift aid is really going to support the charity on its day-to-day running.
So mistake number 2, only claiming once a year. Now, we are all aware that normally the process that charities have is quite a manual one. So, you're receiving the donation at that point and you're giving it to the accountant or potentially a volunteer, and they're going to claim it at the end of the financial year. Now, what's really, really important is that you're actually dipping back into those donations that you'd received previously in case you got a declaration down the line. Now, remember, you are able to retrospectively claim 4 years. So it's really, really important that the charity are going back to previous donations, checking if they've got the relevant information so that they are now able to try and increase the charity's income. Please don't miss that area out. Mistake number 3, utilizing somebody who is inexperienced to manage your gift aid claims. Now, this is something that we see all the time. The charity is trying to find the cheapest option to process their gift aid claims. But in the long term, the charity are constantly losing money because that individual does not have the tools to be able to manage the ongoing processing of the gift aid claims. And it is really important that you have somebody who knows what they're doing when it comes to gift aid to ensure that your charity is constantly audit ready. Mistake number 4, not keeping good records. It is so important, if you want to be able to maximize on your gift aid claiming, that you keep the proof of the donations that you've received from any of your donors. It doesn't matter if it's via envelopes, bank transfer, or even if you're journaling. We need to make sure that we see a direct relationship from the donor to the charity in order to allow us to claim gift aid. Point number 5, not claiming on the Gift Aid Small Donation Scheme. The Gift Aid Small Donation Scheme is another means for your charity to be able to increase its income by 25%. However, the rules around this gift aid is a little bit different to the traditional gift aid. 1, the donation has to be £30 or less. It's up to £8,000 worth of donations in any one financial year, which is going to yield your charity back an additional £2,000. And the most important part is we actually don't need a declaration, which means no donor information is required, and we are still able to claim and increase your charity's income. So I hope you found those points useful. As I mentioned earlier, GoodtoGive have been around now for over a decade, and in this time we have worked with over 500 charities in and around the UK, helping them to maximise on their gift aid claims. If you would like to find out how we will be able to help you, please complete the form below and a member of my team will be in touch to take you through the process.